service, cable, or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or newspaper.
Wake up with Al and your weather today. Weekday mornings from 6 to 11 on the Weather Channel. And now, your local on the 8s.
A winter storm watch is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 18 degrees under fair skies. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, partly cloudy skies, low 12, winds northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Monday, cloudy, high 21, winds east-northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Monday night, snow developing overnight, low 16, winds northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%, 1 to 2 inches of snow expected. And on Tuesday, snow likely, high 23, winds northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. The week ahead